This is 6 minutes a day keeps you good a sense of English EP6. Today's topic, climate conversations, explore extreme weather and global warming. Today's speaker, Libby, has a British accent. Steve has an Australia accent.
Hi Steve, it's been a while. I hope you're doing well. Have you been following the recent climate events in the news?
Hi Libby, yes, I've been keeping a close eye on the news. The extreme weather events have been quite concerning. I think it's time we delve into the topic of global warming and its connection to these events.
Absolutely. Let's start with the recent heat waves. They seem to be getting more frequent and severe. Do you think global warming is a significant factor here?
You're right, Libby. The increase in heat waves is undoubtedly linked to global warming. As greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, it leads to rising global temperatures, which in turn increases the frequency and intensity of heat waves.
That makes sense. And it's not just heat waves. We're seeing more intense hurricanes and storms as well. Is there a connection to global warming there too?
Definitely, Libby. The warmer ocean waters caused by global warming provide more energy for hurricanes and typhoons, making them more powerful. This, in turn, leads to the intensification of these storms.
I've heard about the melting polar ice caps too. What role does that play in the bigger picture of global warming?
Melting polar ice caps are a significant concern. The ice caps act as a kind of air conditioner for the planet by reflecting sunlight back into space. As they melt, more sunlight is absorbed by the Earth's surface, contributing to global warming.
So, it's like a vicious cycle. The more the ice melts, the warmer it gets, and then it melts even faster.
Exactly. This feedback loop is a major driver of global warming. It's essential that we find ways to slow down or reverse these processes.
Speaking of solutions, what can individuals do to help combat global warming?
Individuals can make a significant impact by reducing their carbon footprint. This includes using energy-efficient appliances, driving less, and supporting renewable energy sources. Being more conscious of our daily choices can contribute to the overall effort to combat global warming.
I agree, personal choices matter. But, on a larger scale, do you think governments and international agreements are doing enough to address the issue?
Governments and international agreements have made strides, but there's still much more to be done. The Paris Agreement was a positive step forward, but it's essential for nations to not only meet their emissions targets but also set more ambitious goals.
It's a complex issue that requires global cooperation. Let's hope we can see more progress in the future. On a different note, how can we better communicate climate science to the public to inspire action?
That's a crucial question, Libby. We need to make climate science more accessible and engaging to the public. Communicating in a way that's relatable and backed by data is key. Educating people on the long-term consequences of inaction can motivate change.
I couldn't agree more. We need to bridge the gap between scientific research and public understanding. Perhaps we should collaborate on some educational materials.
That's a great idea, Libby. Combining our expertise to create accessible materials could make a real difference.
Fantastic. Let's brainstorm some ideas and get started on that project. It's time to take action.
Agreed, Libby. Let's make a positive impact together and work towards a more sustainable future.
Today's vocabulary, repeat after me. Climate. Climate. Keeping a close eye on. Keeping a close eye on. Extreme. Extreme. Heat waves. Heat waves. Significant. Significant. Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly. Frequency. Frequency. Hurricanes. Hurricanes. Intensification. Intensification. Bigger picture. Bigger picture. Polar. Polar. Contributing. Contributing. Vicious. Vicious. Major. Major. Individuals. Individuals. Combat. Combat. Carbon footprint. carbon footprint, appliances, appliances, stride, stride, the Paris Agreement, the Paris Agreement, essential, essential, cooperation, cooperation, inspire, inspire, crucial, crucial, long-term, long-term, consequences, consequences, inaction, inaction, motivate, motivate, collaborate, collaborate, expertise, expertise, accessible, accessible, brainstorm, brainstorm, sustainable, sustainable. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing and you will get the results you deserve.